This is what I've ended up with. This fixture was on a metal base, and the way it was set up, these bulbs were a little bit out here. They stuck out here too far, and the glass dome wouldn't go on here. So I cut those up and moved the bases in a little bit. These are EcoSmart 60-watt equivalent bulbs. Each one of these is 800 lumens. I bought a package of 3 of this particular bulb back in 2020, and it's been operating in my computer room 12, 14 hours a day, and that's pretty good. I've had very good luck with these. Some of the LED bulbs that have the plastic base on them, they have not lasted very long at all. I'm quite pleased with this one, and these only cost $3 or $4 a bulb. Now, this one had 6 elements in it. Now, the 40-watt bulb has got a thicker element, and there's only 4 of them. I put a grommet through here for the wires to go in there. I pretty much made up my mind that I was going to use one of these bases one way or another. Back when I thought I was going to have to put this power supply under there, I made these wood rings to give me a little more clearance with the ceiling. And this matches the top of my cabinets in the kitchen. And I've made 3 of these. I have 3 of these lights, and I expect the other 2 to fail before much longer. For the other locations, I'm going to use these sockets. I'm going to put one like this and one like that, and there'll just be 2 bulbs in those. These ended up being thicker, a much thicker wall, and I couldn't really use it with 3 bulbs. The wife wanted more light in the kitchen. This is the equivalent of 180 watts. The base and wood ring will go up on the ceiling over that threaded rod. I'm going to sandwich that with a couple of fender washers and have a nut down on top of that, so that holds this on the ceiling. And you can change the bulbs or whatever, and then the glass dome will go on there, and then you just use an acorn nut to hold that in place.